Hey guys, Late Navs 84 here again on Trials Fusion. Doing some squirrel hunting. Today we're gonna be doing squirrel number 9, guys, which is on Marina Mania. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube to ZSquad, or visit our website at www.zsquad.co.uk. So here we go, guys. Squirrel number 9 is located just on the second checkpoint. So you basically go up here, take your time up here, and basically you need to roll off here, guys, and bail out into the bit of bushes that's underneath. I can take it through goals, guys. It's a bit tricky to do. Basically, guys, it's all going to be P-tong here, guys. There we go, guys. You can drop down and bail backwards into the bushes there, guys, and there you see squirrel number 9, guys, on Marina Mania. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, on YouTube. Thanks for watching.